Have you ever wondered how the digital world we live in came to be? From the smartphone in your pocket to the vast network of the internet, it all stems from a fascinating history of innovation and genius. This is the story of information technology, a journey that spans centuries and continents, powered by brilliant minds who dared to dream of a different future. Information technology, or IT, is essentially the use of computers to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data. It's the backbone of modern society, driving everything from global finance to how we connect with loved ones. But its roots go much deeper than the silicon chips and fiber optic cables of today. Our story begins not in Silicon Valley, but in the heart of the Islamic Golden Age. From the algorithms that power our favorite apps to the global network connecting us all, information technology is the invisible force shaping our modern world. It's the hardware and software that we use to create, store, process, and share information. But this intricate digital web wasn't spun overnight. Its threads stretch back through centuries of human ingenuity, each strand woven by visionaries who dared to dream of a more connected and intelligent future. So, how did we get from ancient mathematics to the supercomputers in our pockets? Let's rewind the clock and trace the remarkable evolution of information technology. Our journey begins not in Silicon Valley, but in the bustling intellectual centers of the Islamic Golden Age. In the 9th century, a Persian scholar named Muhammad ibn Musa Al-Khwarizmi developed systematic methods for solving linear and quadratic equations. His work on step-by-step procedures laid the foundation for what we now call algorithms, the very instructions that tell our computers what to do. His name even gave us the word algorithm itself, marking the conceptual birth of computation. It was here in 9th century Baghdad that the Persian mathematician Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi laid the foundational groundwork for modern computing. He introduced systematic methods for solving linear and quadratic equations, a process he called algebra, which gave us the word algebra. More importantly, his work on step-by-step problem-solving procedures gave rise to the concept of the algorithm, a term derived from his own name. Without Al-Khwarizmi's brilliant formalization of logical processes, the very software that runs our digital lives would be inconceivable. He was, in essence, one of the first architects of information processing. Centuries later, the Industrial Revolution's gears of change propelled us into the mechanical era. In 19th century Britain, a brilliant and eccentric mathematician named Charles Babbage envisioned a machine that could perform complex calculations automatically. During the Industrial Revolution, the dream of automated calculation began to take physical form. In the 1830s, the English mathematician Charles Babbage envisioned a massive, steam-powered machine he called the analytical engine. This wasn't just a calculator, it was a general-purpose computer, a mechanical marvel powered by steam, complete with a memory unit and a central processor, and the ability to be programmed using punched cards. Though never fully built in his lifetime due to funding issues, its design was a blueprint for the modern computer and was a monumental leap. Working alongside him was Ada Lovelace, a gifted mathematician who recognized the engine's potential beyond mere number crunching. She wrote extensive notes on the machine, including what is now considered the world's first computer program, an algorithm designed to be processed by a machine. Lovelace's foresight established her as the first-ever computer programmer, imagining a future where machines could create music and art. The theoretical and mechanical groundwork of the past set the stage for the electronic revolution of the 20th century. An English mathematician and logician, is widely hailed as the father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence. During World War II, his work at Bletchley Park was instrumental in breaking the German Enigma code, significantly shortening the war. Turing formalized the concepts of algorithm and computation with the Turing machine, a theoretical model that defined the capabilities of a general-purpose computer. Alan Turing became a pivotal figure. His work in breaking the German Enigma code was crucial to the Allied victory, but his theoretical contributions were even more profound. He formalized the concepts of algorithm and computation with the Turing machine, an abstract model of a computer that defined the limits of what could be calculated. His profound ideas provided the essential theoretical framework that would guide the development of the first electronic computers, transforming the abstract into tangible, world-changing technology. Turing's insights became the blueprint for modern digital computers, transforming computation from a mechanical process into an electronic one. The final piece of our modern puzzle fell into place with the dawn of the digital age. As computers became more powerful and widespread, the challenge shifted to connecting them and sharing the vast amounts of information they held. Fast forward to the late 20th century, and the world was on the brink of another monumental leap: the digital revolution. The final piece of the puzzle fell into place in 1989, when Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist working at CERN, invented the World Wide Web. Tim Berners-Lee proposed a new information management system. He developed the fundamental technologies that form the basis of the Internet as we know it: HTTP, HTML, and the first web browser. His invention transformed the Internet from a tool for academics and the military into a global, accessible network for everyone, igniting a revolution that has reshaped every aspect of human life. His goal was to create a decentralized system for sharing and managing information among scientists globally. By making this technology freely available to the public, Berners-Lee ignited an explosion of connectivity, transforming how humanity communicates, learns, and does business. He didn't just build a new technology, he gifted the world a new dimension of interaction. The history of IT is a powerful saga of human collaboration and relentless innovation. From the ancient algorithms of Al-Khwarizmi to the global web spun by Tim Berners-Lee, the evolution of information technology is a testament to human ingenuity. Each era built upon the last, turning abstract ideas into mechanical marvels, and mechanical marvels into the instantaneous digital world we know today. This journey is far from over, and as we stand on the shoulders of these giants, we can only imagine what the next chapter will hold. The evolution of information technology is not just a story of machines. It is the story of our unending quest to connect and understand. And as we look to the future of AI and quantum computing, we can only imagine what the next chapter will hold. The one certainty is that the desire to connect, create, and compute will continue to drive us forward, shaping a future we are only just beginning to build.